Throw a trash bag into the washing machine. You'll be surprised at what it can do. A simple plastic bag will make your clothes come out cleaner. How is that possible? Clothes collect dust, lint, and hair, which often settle around the rubber seal of the washer. These particles remain in the drum and mix with clothes in the next wash. But a simple plastic bag can solve this problem. Place a plain, unprinted plastic bag in the washing machine along with your clothes or towels. Add detergent, a laundry pod, and fabric softener as usual. Set the wash cycle to a temperature no higher than 40 degrees and start the machine. What happens next? You'll notice more foam than usual because the plastic bag enhances detergent foaming. Additionally, during the wash cycle, the bag will attract dirt, hair, and lint from your clothes. Once the wash is done, open the machine, take out your laundry, and remove the plastic bag. Your clothes will be cleaner, and your washing machine will be free of lint and hair. Just use a bottle, and your washing machine will thank you. A washing machine is one of the most essential appliances in your home. Its proper functioning depends on regular maintenance. One critical component to care for is the washing machine filter. It's responsible for trapping small debris. Neglecting regular cleaning of the filter can lead to serious problems. Place a towel under the filter area. Take an empty plastic bottle, cut off the top part, then trim a section of the side to fit the opening of the washing machine where the filter is located. Unscrew the filter. Watch as all the dirt and debris flow directly into the bottle. This is the moment you realize how easily your washing machine can get clogged if the filter isn't cleaned regularly. Once the filter is removed, place it in the sink. Clean it thoroughly with a brush to reach every crevice and remove all debris. Do the same for the filter opening. Pour water into the opening to rinse it. Then, put the cleaned filter back in place and screw it tightly. The filter is clean, and your washing machine works like new. This simple task helps you save on costly repairs. Place a sanitary pad in the washing machine. You'll use this trick more often than you think. The pad will help keep your washing machine in perfect condition. Take a sanitary pad and remove it from its packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick them together. Now, spray the pad with a cleaning solution. The pad is now ready for cleaning. Lift the seal, the rubber part of the drum, and insert the pad inside. Repeat this process until the entire rubber surface of the drum is covered with pads. Leave them for an hour, then remove them. You'll see how much dirt they collected in that time. Use a microfiber cloth to clean any remaining residue on the rubber part. Wipe away any excess liquid with a towel or paper. Your washing machine is as good as new. By using this method, you ensure that the inside of your machine is disinfected and refreshed. The cleaning agents also remove limescale and prevent it from building up again. I add 1 tablespoon to the washing machine. I haven't bought fabric softener for over a year. Ever since I started using this trick, I no longer reach for chemical softeners. Just 1 tablespoon of coarse salt completely replaces fabric softener. Your clothes will always be soft and fresh without unnecessary chemicals. Prepare a bowl and add 3 large tablespoons of coarse salt. Salt is a natural fabric softener, removes odors, and has antibacterial properties. Then pour in hot water and stir well until the salt fully dissolves. Soak a microfiber cloth in the solution. Then lightly squeeze it and toss it into the washing machine with your clothes. Set the temperature to 40 degrees and the spin cycle to 800 RPM. Once the wash cycle is complete, you'll be amazed at the results. Your clothes will be as soft as a cloud, and their freshness will surprise you. Once you try this method, you'll never go back to buying expensive fabric softeners again. Did you know that if you pour dish soap onto a sponge and toss it into the drum, the dish soap will break down buildup and freshen the inside of your washer? The sponge, thanks to its structure, acts as a carrier that releases the soap gradually during the wash. Together, they leave your washing machine smelling fresh and thoroughly cleaned. Pour into the washing machine, and you'll get rid of the musty smell, dirt, and mold. A clean washing machine guarantees clean and fresh-smelling laundry. But you don't have to use strong bleach to get rid of mold and odors. Start by cleaning the rubber seal, where dirt and mold tend to accumulate. Use a regular kitchen sponge for this. Most of the dirt will come off with the rough side of the sponge. For the washing machine door, simply spray it with vinegar. Wash it and wipe it with a dry cloth. This will remove residue and water scale. The detergent drawer also needs attention, and the compartment where the drawer goes should be cleaned as well. Vinegar eliminates mold spores and removes scale. In just a moment, that spot will be clean too. Now, take some dishwasher tablets and throw them into the washing machine. Use 3 or even 4 tablets. Toss in a towel or a sheet as well. This will help clean the machine more effectively. Pour an additional 2 liters of water into the machine. You'll need a bit more water to properly clean the drum. Select the special cleaning program if your washing machine has one, or just a regular cycle with the highest temperature. After this wash, you'll see the machine will be cleaner than ever. Place a sanitary pad in the washing machine. You'll use this trick more often than you think. The pad will help keep your washing machine in perfect condition. Take a sanitary pad and remove it from its packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick them together. Now, spray the pad with a cleaning solution. The pad is now ready for cleaning. Lift the seal, the rubber part of the drum, and insert the pad inside. Repeat this process until the entire rubber surface of the drum is covered with pads. Leave them for an hour, then remove them. You'll see how much dirt they collected in that time. Use a microfiber cloth to clean any remaining residue on the rubber part. Wipe away any excess liquid with a towel or paper. Your washing machine is as good as new. By using this method, you ensure that the inside of your machine is disinfected and refreshed. The cleaning agents also remove limescale and prevent it from building up again. I discovered a genius trick that will transform your washing machine. The results will surprise you. It's simple, cheap, and works every time. Grab some kitchen sponges. The more, the better. Make holes in the middle of each one. I use a soldering iron, but you can also use a knife or a skewer. Thread the sponges onto a string and secure the end so they don't fall off. It's an easy and eco-friendly solution that requires minimal effort. Place them in the washing machine and pour plenty of lemon juice over them. Run the machine without detergent and watch the magic happen. Lemon has strong disinfecting properties and neutralizes bad odors. This trick will dissolve dirt and residue, causing bad smells. Not only will your washing machine be refreshed, but the rubber seals will also be cleaned. You'll love how fresh and clean your machine smells afterward. After the cycle, your machine will smell fresh and clean. Give it a try and see the amazing results for yourself.